Prophet ﷺ said, إِنَّ اللَّهَ لَا يَنْظُرُ إِلَى صُوَرِكُمْ وَأَمْوَالِكُمْ وَلَكِنْ يَنْظُرُ إِلَى قُلُوبِكُمْ وَأَعْمَالِكُمْ. Verily Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala does not look at your complexion, does not look at your wealth, does not look at your bank balance. Today we are obsessed and we concentrate and we spend most of our time on the exterior. That's why you have PR companies who are always advertising and advertising to make even the most frivolous of things look the best, because it's all about public relations. It's all about showing people that this is the best. Whereas Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala does not want the PR. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is not looking for this. Allah is looking for your interior. Allah wants your heart. As Allah says in the Quran, that what does He want when you come back to Him? إِلَّا مَنْ أَتَى اللَّهَ بِقَلْبٍ سَلِيمٍ. That when you come to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He wants you to have a pure and clean heart. Qalbun salim. Purify our hearts. Purify our hearts. Verily Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala does not look at your complexion. He does not look at your wealth. وَلَكِنْ يَنْظُرُ إِلَىٰ قُلُوبِكُمْ وَأَعْمَالِكُمْ. He looks at your hearts and He looks at your actions. Allah is looking at your heart and your actions. And the greatest asset that we have is Iman. Brother.